Yeah, just another day.
I am gasoline and matches.
Daniel's bugging me about my new boots. He said they're not dirty. Well, they're gonna get dirty today, boy.
I am gasoline and matches. I turn everything to ashes. Burning.
Nice big smudge in the lens. Give me this thing here. Just bringing the guys coffee like I do every day here at this massive big dig. Like, we're gonna probably name the title of this video, Taking Care of My Guys So They Take Care of Me. Wink, wink.
Taylor, I got the auto rotate feature on.
Nice, man. I'm happy to see that it's fucking broken. God damn it, Daniel. I was gonna do it.
May have got a bit of paint on it by
Oh, you motherfucker! How the fuck did Mike do this? Pretty impressive on Mike's part. Wind's going wrong, man. Job site looks good. Boys are doing good. Originally, I said the boys look good, but that sounds kind of like something that an employer and employee should not say to each other. This is a nice big home dig that we're doing here. The customers that we're working for, Cata Construction, it's our first dig with them, so we're hoping to continue that relationship, and hopefully they'll keep calling us for some more work because we enjoy working with them. Hopefully they enjoy working with us. I got a little mud on my tires. Yeah, man, beautiful sunny day. Nothing beats it. Work harder. Okay, I just want to remind everybody, last week we dropped all of our merch, Work Harder hoodies, blue collar hoodies. Everything is online still, and you have 2 more days, and then they are completely gone, and we will never sell them again. My personal favorite, Mechanics t-shirt, distressed on the back. I've been rocking this. Makes you feel like a true blue collar man when you're wearing this, or woman, whatever you prefer. Links down below for all that stuff. Make sure to grab it. Nothing beats seeing your own equipment on the road. I know other people can contest to that. It is the best feeling ever. Ever. Ever, ever. Mike's screening. Beauty.
I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack I was pouring. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve.
Figured out how to shoot shotgun yet?
Oh, okay. She goes, how much do you sell your puppies for? What are you talking about? She goes, oh, I just figured you had puppies for sale with all the dog fucking going on.
I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack I was pouring. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve. Cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah.
Darren doesn't know how to unlock the key. Oh, yes he does. Safety first. I got the flashy lights on, so it's okay. I thought Jake would be here.
Yeah, I did too. I don't even think I've seen that guy since camp day. Nice cup of chocolate milk. Of course.
It's not really much ice in it anymore. It's more like just chocolate milk with caffeine. What's your ETA to get here?
15 minutes.
Okay. 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
You want to go for a walk? I'll show you what's going on. From the tree line to the picket. Small pond, but he wants it really deep.
Like, is Darren just going to push the dirt that way?
Yeah, you throw it here, he takes it down there. That's the idea.
Come on, I'm a foreman. For a second I was going to say, did he do something to his exhaust? And I'm like, oh no, it's just the tires rubbing.
Yeah. See all that shit?
Yeah.
That's all in those fuel filters. Because I guess it was ran like completely out of fuel and stuck on its side. That'll do it.
Well, was it? Were you out of fuel when you got stuck?
Jake said that it was ran completely dry.
Oh yeah, that's never good.
I've got a good 6 inches of mud on my boots.
You were too bad for a little square town with your hip-hop hat and your pants on the ground. Heard you cussed out mama, pushed daddy around. Homeboy, you're gonna wish one day you were sitting on a gate of a truck by the lake with your high school fame on one side, high school beer on the other. Ain't no shame in a blue California little house, little kid, little small town story. If you don't ever do anything else for me, just do this for me, brother. Come on home, boy.
Give it back to them like exactly like that. They'll never lend us a dozer ever again.
See, if Mitch was driving this, which he would never be allowed to, it would be so stuck right now.
You almost got stuck fucking just crawling around. No, not stuck.
No, I didn't.
You had to use your boot.
Okay, we are back at site here where we had the big 750K dozer. I don't know where everybody is.
Jake along the tree line. Oh, there they are.
Oh, there they are. Can't tell the other one's wearing high vis, but can't give a shit because I'm really not today either. But we're back, baby. Big open field, hemp field. They're gonna grow a bunch of hemp here. We got the 750K dozer. We got a D51i Komatsu, brand new, coming to site today. Then a GPS guy is gonna come show us how to use it, how it all works. Super pumped about that. We got the 325 here as well too. I'm gonna be pushing today in the 750. Darren's gonna get in the new dozer when it arrives.
Why are they letting you demo it? Because I'm the fucking man.
Okay.
Would you not agree? I would agree that you are the man to
Yeah.
demo Komatsu.
Get that on fucking camera. Look at, let's do a clean inspection on the 325. Okay. Floor looks pretty good. Wait, here. Look at this. This is unacceptable. Look at that. Unfucking acceptable, Daniel. Oh, a little bit of grease there, but that's pretty good too.
Look at the inside of the door though.
Yeah, you need to clean the inside of the door.
Oh, this is from the pressure wash guy.
Oh, yeah, fuck him.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck him. Well, at least we got mud off.
So you can put mud back on it.
Yep. Still in two-wheel drive.
This is not the fucking music to be having. Shit.
Fuck! I didn't make it that far. I need Daniel. God damn it. I really thought, I mean, I should have went quicker, but it's really soft. Somebody's gonna have a hell of a time pressure washing my truck. Here comes Darren. That's what you need to pull you out. I didn't fucking make it far. So don't go that way. It's kind of like more window tint. I like it. There she is. Looks funny, doesn't it? Intelligent Machine Control D51EXI.
When's that going to be posted?
Probably tomorrow. Watch the video. Shout out him. You want to pop it off?
You can.
Okay. Okay. Here is the Komatsu D51 EXI. Darren's over here. He's gonna run her. I'm just kind of curious to see what it's like. First impressions, obviously, I think the Komatsus look totally fucked, but supposedly it's so you can see better.
Oh, it's got the same kind of handle.
Yeah. So that's your blade, and then speed is like just these buttons. It's the same as the 750, really, but the only
screen.
Yeah, well, yeah, screen, and then that's the GPS unit that the guy's gonna come and show us. Oh, it'll be cool to try. Try it out, see what you think. All right, let's see this thing go. It's got LEDs on it, that's a big plus. Well, I'll hop in it a little bit later and see how it goes. But so far, I think it's a pretty neat machine, that's for sure. People are probably wondering, why is there 2 guys filming 1 guy? Because I'm my biggest fan. All right, I'm gonna hop in the 750 and get her done.
Right on Lily Court, it's a little court, right? RP Coke, right? RP 24. I can make cool 50 can, less 24 out. Round with the pack through Tennessee mountains. VPN socks and elite 3 rounds. I'm thumping through it, I don't need no counter. Had to resuscitate a bit, my neck on my John. I got oil, I got young, I got west, I got flour. Burn on pre-roll, finger go Pluto. Dripping real hard when I'm hopping down Tudo. I just made a psychedelic pill named Hugo. 30 laptops in my motherfucking condo. White collar, got nigga bomb like Lonzo. These nigga overrated like Joe Flacco.
Digging a pound. Look at this thing. It's pretty deep. All the way down in there, it's already holding water. Daniel's shaping it all up. I'm here in the dozer, gonna move some material for him. Nice sunny day. Can't ask for anything better than this, baby.
Hi, I'm Taylor White. I'm sponsored by Apple.
No, these are actually Tim White Construction, man. We're gonna start selling these on our fucking merch store, you fucking piece of shit. Another day in the bud. Fucking great day. Operate. Oh, sweet. Half a 6-inch sub. You know what else is 6 inches? Not that sub, because they're not actually 12 inches from Subway. I wrote mustard on my face. I feel like you always do that to me. It'd be like the end of the day and you'd be like, you know, you had something on you after we film all fucking day. Like, oh man, you got ketchup in your mouth. Oh, thanks, asshole. Glorious, glorious day here in the field. You know, I love these job sites. You got both dozers behind me, parked beautiful. I don't think there's any way better that I'd like to end a YouTube video than in a field on a beautiful Thursday afternoon. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me know, should we buy the Komatsu or should we not? Because Komatsu's gonna want me to buy this now. Catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Whew. Fuck you, Daniel. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys. The True Patriots channel that watch the entire video to the end, which is right now. And if you are one of those True Patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, akimbo dozers. Why are you commenting down below akimbo dozers? Well, we were running cool dozers, which means akimbo dozers. If you're watching the entire video to the end, comment down below, akimbo dozers. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Check out these mechanic shirts. Still linked below. Appreciate you guys. Take care.